Hello everyone, warm greeting to all of you from Malaysia. My name is Nuur and I'm the founder and CEO of the wedding company.asia. Here I have an important announcement to share with all of you. International Association of Destination Wedding Professionals IADWP is organizing Destination Wedding and Romance Travel Industry Conference and Networking Event which going to take place in Istanbul, Turkey from 6 to 9 September 2021. I am very happy and excited to be part of this event, and I will be one of the speakers who will be sharing my experience in the destination wedding industry. I'm looking forward to meet up with other tourism professionals around the globe. In conjunction with this conference and networking event, there will be fam trips and award ceremony to appreciate the best player in the industry in various categories. So guys, if you think niche sector like wedding, luxury romance, travel has huge potential in post-pandemic world and it will speed up your process of tourism recovery in your own destination, you should not miss this opportunity. Do register for the event of the detail given below and see you in Istanbul. Thank you. Bye.